This is the OKNIFE Duron folding pocket knife. Now, full disclosure, this is a paid review, but the opinions in this video are my own. Opening the knife up, it has a pretty nice unboxing experience. It comes with a microfiber cloth to clean the blade, and then the zipper case for the knife. And I think this is a Velcro patch on the side here, so you can pretty easily stick it to something. Anyway, it also comes with this pretty cool OKNIFE coin here. It says Outdoor Elite, and then OKNIFE in the center. And then the other side has some pretty cool details as well. And finally, taking a look at the knife itself, this thing looks pretty cool. The handle is made from a lightweight aluminum in this very interesting kind of metallic-y olive green color. I think it looks pretty cool, but some more color options would be nice. Anyway, on the other side is a pocket clip, and you can see it has 2 removable screws, so you can flip it over to the other side. And then to open up the knife, there's a thumb stud, and it is a little bit tight, but it still works just fine. It is a 3.5-inch blade, and it's made from a PVD-coated Nitro V steel. And I'm not going to pretend that I know what that is, but it looks pretty cool. Nice matte black look to it. And right out of the box, it's super sharp. It just slices right through the paper. Anyway, then to close the knife, you just push on this piece here, and you can close it right up. The knife has a nice comfortable grip. There's a little cutout spot here for your pointer finger. Overall, pretty comfortable handle, and it is definitely lightweight. This thing weighs basically nothing. And I really like the look of the black blade with the green handle. It goes together pretty well, looks super cool. And the coin that comes with it is pretty cool as well.